Hello everyone, welcome to Chano TV. First question, what is the capital of India? A. New Delhi, B. Mumbai, C. Kolkata. The correct answer is option A. New Delhi. Next question, what is the currency of India? A. Rupee, B. Dinar, C. Euro. The correct answer is option A. Rupee. Next question, who is the current Prime Minister of India? A. Rahul Gandhi, B. Narendra Modi, C. Amit Shah. The correct answer is option B. Narendra Modi. Next question, when does India celebrate Independence Day? A. January 26, B. October 2, C. August 15. The correct answer is option C. August 15. Next question, what is the national bird of India? A. Eagle, B. Peacock, C. Sparrow. The correct answer is option B. Peacock. Next question, what is the national language of India? A. Hindi, B. Bengal, C. English. The correct answer is option A. Hindi. Next question, what is the longest river in India? A. Ganga, B. Brahmaputra, C. Godavari. The correct answer is option B. Brahmaputra. Next question, what is the most populous state in India? A. Bihar, B. Maharashtra, C. Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is option C. Uttar Pradesh. Next question, what is the richest state in India? A. Gujarat, B. Maharashtra, C. Karnataka. The correct answer is option B. Maharashtra. Next question, what is the most literate state in India? A. Goa, B. Delhi, C. Kerala. The correct answer is option C. Kerala. Next question, where is Indian Silicon Valley located? A. Hyderabad, B. Bengaluru, C. Mumbai. The correct answer is option B. Bengaluru. Next question, who is the first Prime Minister of India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Indira Gandhi. The correct answer is option A. Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question, what is the national fruit of India? A. Banana, B. Mango, C. Papaya. The correct answer is option B. Mango. Next question, in which city would you find the gateway of India? A. Delhi, B. Chennai, C. Mumbai. The correct answer is option C. Mumbai. Next question, what is the name of the river considered the holiest in India? A. Yamuna, B. Ganges, C. Saraswati. The correct answer is option B. Ganges. Next question, which Indian festival is known as the Festival of Lights? A. Holi, B. Diwali, C. Dasara. The correct answer is option B. Diwali. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.